Getting ready for a party often begins with your hairstyle. The right hairdo not only complements your outfit, but also sets the tone for your whole look, making you feel confident, elegant, or simply fun, depending on what you're aiming for. Whether you have long, short, curly, or straight hair, there are countless possibilities to help you shine at any event. Here are 20 hairstyle tips to help you turn heads at your next party. First and foremost, start with clean, well-conditioned hair. No matter what style you choose, your hair will look its best when it's healthy and shiny. If you have time, do a deep conditioning treatment the night before the event to ensure your hair is at its softest and most manageable. One timeless option is loose, voluminous curls. Using a large barrel curling iron or a set of hot rollers, you can create those glamorous Hollywood waves. After curling, gently finger comb your hair for soft, touchable curls, then mist with a light hairspray to hold it together without making it look stiff. For a modern twist, try a textured ponytail. Tease the crown of your hair for volume, gather your hair into a high ponytail, and then wrap a strand of hair around the elastic. For added detail, use a wave spray for a piecey, undone look. This style is chic, effortless, and keeps hair off your face for dancing the night away. Consider braids for a fun and versatile party look. A loose, side-swept fishtail braid exudes bohemian charm, while a Dutch or French braid can add interest and elegance. Braids also work well in combination with updos or ponytails, including braided headbands or crown braids for a romantic, ethereal vibe. A polished bun can be either sleek or messy, depending on your preference. For a refined look, slick your hair back with a fine-tooth comb and secure it neatly at the nape of your neck. Or, for a more relaxed appearance, gently pull out a few tendrils to frame your face and tease the bun's base. Half-up, half-down styles remain party staples because they combine the best of both worlds, the sophistication of pinned-up hair and the natural movement of wearing it down. Create volume at the crown with light teasing before pinning back small sections from above your ears, either twisting or braiding them for extra flair. If you want to make a bold statement, try accessorizing your hairstyle. Decorative clips, sparkly barrettes, jeweled pins, or a velvet headband can instantly elevate a simple hairdo. These accessories catch the light and draw attention to your face, perfect for special occasions and holiday parties alike. Channel vintage glamour with classic styles like pin curls, victory rolls, or a retro bouffant. These looks suit themed parties or anyone who loves the elegance of past decades. Use setting spray and bobby pins to help the style last all night, and pair with red lipstick for that unmistakable old Hollywood appeal. Texture is key for creating party-perfect hair that looks intentional. If your hair is naturally flat or fine, use a volumizing mousse at your roots before blow-drying. For thicker hair that tends to frizz, apply a smoothing serum or shine spray to prevent flyaways and create a glossy, polished finish. Don't underestimate the power of a deep side part. An exaggerated side part can transform your face shape, add instant drama, and help highlight your best features. Play with different partings before styling to see which flatters your look most for the evening. Short hair doesn't mean you're limited in options. Use pomade or wax to spike up a pixie cut or create soft waves with a flat iron for a flirty bob. Consider adding a decorative hairband or sparkle spray for extra edge. If you have a chin-length cut, tuck one side behind your ear and secure with a statement earring for an asymmetrical, modern vibe. Slicked-back styles are trending for their clean, sophisticated appearance. Apply a strong-hold gel to wet hair and comb it straight back, either leaving your hair loose or gathering it into a low ponytail or bun. This look is particularly striking with evening wear and bold makeup, creating a high-fashion feel. Works of art don't have to be complicated. Sometimes it's all about the details. Add mini braids throughout your hair for added interest or twist small sections before pinning them back with jeweled clips. Even a single, well-placed accessory can make a significant impact. For those who love drama, the high ponytail never goes out of style. This look works on all hair types and is especially effective when paired with clip-in extensions to add length and volume. Wrap the base with a strand of hair to conceal the elastic and use shine serum for that extra pop under party lights. Don't shy away from using heat tools if you want sleek, straight hair. Flat irons can create that glass hair effect, making your locks look impossibly smooth and camera-ready. Just remember to use a heat protectant spray beforehand to prevent damage. Texture sprays can breathe life into limp hair, creating a full-bodied look. Spritz throughout your hair and scrunch for a tousled, put-together effect, ideal for casual cool parties or more relaxed gatherings. This technique also helps your hair hold style and volume throughout the night. Experiment with undone waves if you want a beachy, carefree vibe. Use a curling wand and alternate the direction of each curl for a natural, soft movement. After curling, rake your fingers through your hair to loosen it up and finish with a light texturizing spray. If you want to wear your hair up but keep it soft, try a low, loose chignon. Pull your hair back at the nape of your neck, twist into a bun, and allow a few strands to escape. For a touch of sparkle, pin in a few decorative hairpins around the chignon. For those with curly hair, let your curls take center stage. Apply a curl-enhancing cream to damp hair, diffuse dry, and separate curls for maximum volume. Enhance your natural texture without worrying about frizz by applying a humidity-proof spray. Accessorize with a bold headscarf or a floral pin for a fun, festive look. Layering your products is a professional trick that makes a huge difference. Start with a lightweight styling cream to add definition, then finish with a medium-hold hairspray for strength without stiffness. For updos, use bobby pins that match your hair color and crisscross them for maximum grip. Always finish your style with a spritz of shine spray or a drop of hair oil on your fingertips to smooth away any flyaways and give your hair a luminous finish. And finally, practice your chosen style at least once before the big day. Nothing is more stressful than rushing to fix something that isn't working right before you leave. By practicing, you'll know exactly how much time you need and can go to your party feeling relaxed and excited. In the end, the right party hairstyle is all about adding fun, confidence, and a sense of occasion to your look. Exude elegance with polished buns and vintage waves, or display your free spirit with tousled ponytails and boho braids. Accessories, texture, and a few well-chosen products can transform simple hair into something extraordinary. Remember, the best hairstyles are the ones that make you feel comfortable, confident, and docile, and unapologetically you. So next time you prepare for a party, try one of these 20 tips and step into the spotlight with a style that truly shines. To further perfect your party hairstyle, consider keeping a travel-sized hairspray handy for quick touch-ups throughout the evening, ensuring your look stays fresh. Opt for lightweight hair oils or serums to add a glossy finish and tame any last-minute frizz or flyaways. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of a statement accessory. Whether it's a jeweled clip or a chic headband, the right accent can instantly elevate your hairstyle and tie your whole ensemble together.